Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Roby and this is Purple Bee. So today we're gonna make this famous Filipino dessert called mango float. So this dessert is so easy to make and all you need are these four ingredients. So we got here the mango, we have the grams, we have condensed milk, and we also have the Nestle cream. In this one I use the table cream and I chill it for like 20 minutes. So the first process we're gonna do is we have to prepare the mangoes. You need to make sure that these are cut into wide, thin pieces. We also want to separate some of this grams, probably like 1/4 or 1/5 of the whole gram package, and then crush it so we can have our toppings or our sprinkles later on. And then we also need to have the Nestle cream and our condensed milk mixed together. Okay, so let's begin. I'm so excited. I just can't hide it. Hi guys, so now we are already ready with our crushed grams, but we will not need that until the later part. And then we also have our milk and cream mixture. And we just need a pan. A cake pan will do, but of course the more even the pan is, the better. So now we're just gonna do this by layers, so we have a pattern here. This is so easy, no bake dessert, and this is amazing for parties and get-togethers and all your events. So we have this pan right now. All we do is we have here a first layer, which is our base layer, which is the grams. So put the grams here, just like that. So, and then we put it here. Some more, basically just filling it up. And then this. And this. Okay. All right. And then after that, the second part would be pouring some of the milk and cream mixture. Okay. So this is actually a good cooking or dessert activity with your family, with the kids, with your friends. And this is really easy to make. So I would suggest be generous with your mixture. So yeah, basically you just want to fill it up, or at least not fill up, but cover. Okay. Great. Okay. And then now we are ready to put our mangoes. Okay. Ay! So greetings once again to my Filipino and American friends and all my friends who are watching this video. Be sure to watch and click thumbs up, leave a comment, and if you want to request other foods that I can cook and give you the recipe, just let me know. So yeah, basically we're just gonna fill it up. Like, it really depends on you, like how much you'd like to fill it up, but just make sure that it's even. Okay. All right. So yeah, this is our first layer, and so we have the pattern here. We have the grams, we've got milk and cream mixture, and then we put the mango. So we're just gonna repeat the process. So now another layer. Okay, hold on. This, okay. Another layer. Another one. Another one here. And as you see, it fits like more here. Okay. Right. So we're gonna pour once again the milk. Smells so sweet. Just yumminess. Okay. And gonna have some mangoes. Okay. 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 Great. And then we're ready to top it again with another layer. So we're just gonna finish this, repeat and repeat this process until we get our desired amount of layers that you want in this pan. So as you can see, we're already in our last layer and we're ready to put some sprinkles or top it off with our graham crackers, crushed graham crackers. So just make sure your hands are clean, wash them, and then we're ready to put it on top. And yay! Okay. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen. This is our mango float, and now it's ready to go to the freezer. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel Purple Bee for more yummy recipes and videos. Yay! Bye!